Justin Deseck, London, Ontario realtor, coming to you today from one of London's south neighborhoods in Longwoods. Located in the Wonderland and Southdale area, we have this 2+1 bungalow with 3 full bathrooms and a double car garage. Let's go check it out. So this home is absolutely perfect for someone that's handy or anyone that's familiar with a purchase plus improvements mortgage product. Whether you're starting out in the market and you're looking to add some value just after you move in, or you're looking to retire and make this the perfect space to downsize in retirement. Here's your spacious primary bedroom with large walk-in closet and 3-piece ensuite. Your second bedroom on the main floor is adjacent to a 4-piece bathroom. Can you imagine transforming this space into something that you've envisioned for yourself and your family? A new TV, fireplace, luxury furnishings. You'll love this open concept, and especially the easy access to the backyard. So in the lower level, just like on the main floor, you're gonna find this great ceiling height. There's this finished rec room area that you can enjoy with another fireplace, and you have another bedroom, and you have a full 3-piece bathroom. Not only that, there is a partially finished space over on the other end of the house that is up to you to decide what you wanna do with. So we're gonna wrap up today's tour in the backyard with your low maintenance yard and large deck, which is great for entertaining. You'll love this home's location as it's not 5 minutes to shopping, parks, schools, very close to the 401. You won't find a home under $600,000 in this neighborhood, probably ever again. If I can help get you through this home, don't hesitate to reach out. Justin Deseck, London, Ontario realtor. Bye for now.